Welcome everyone to Europe in Ruins Reinforcements. This tutorial will cover starting and finding games. This tutorial assumes you've completed steps 1, 2, and 3 of our Getting Started tutorials. If you have not, please go back and complete those steps now. Let's start by clicking our EiRR shortcut and checking for updates. Now we can launch the launcher and sign in. This takes us to our profile screen. Select the company you want to play by clicking the plus sign beside it. Be sure to read the news page for any recent updates or events. Before we go into battle, let's make sure our company is complete and ready. Select your company tab. By checking our resources, we can confirm that our company is complete and we have maximized our resources. It is always a good idea to check through your tabs to ensure there are no errors or omissions in your build. Let's take a look at the PP and SP section of the screen. As you play games, you'll be rewarded prestige points, or PP. PP is used to purchase resource advantages, doctrine unlocks, and supply points. Some doctrine unlocks require supply points to use them. Let's go to the Doctrine tab. If we hover our mouse over Forward Intelligence icon, we can see it states we get 1 free and 2 max. This means that we need to pay SP for a second use of the ability. Let's go back to our Company tab. To purchase SP, we use the Purchase SP button in the top right corner. It takes 10 PP to purchase 20 SP. Be sure to click Accept Changes to confirm your purchase. Because we do not have these unlocks, let's not waste our PP at this time. We are ready for battle. Click Accept Changes. Now click the Battle tab. This is the battle page of the launcher. The top left corner is the battle browser. This is where you will see all of the current games. Games marked Creating are games you can join. You cannot join games that are started or in progress. Below the battle browser is the chat room. Use this room to communicate with other players waiting for a game. It is important to note that the launcher disappears when you start a game, so you will be unable to communicate with your teammates using the chat room. We cannot stress enough how important Ventrilo is to this modification. Even if you do not have a microphone, use your speakers so your teammates can communicate with you. To join a battle, simply select it in the battle browser. Upon selection, the other players will appear in the lobby at the top right of the screen. In this case, I've set up my own company for this tutorial basis. Now click the Join Battle button. When the game is full, click the Ready for Supplies button. When all of the players have clicked the Ready for Supplies button, your battle advantages will appear here. In an effort to help new players, we give new accounts some training abilities. These are recon runs, smoke, and supply drops. The supply drop includes a mortar, HMG, and an AT weapon. As you level up your company, you will lose these free abilities. Hover your mouse over each icon to read its description. At the bottom of each icon is the number of uses you get and how many you have purchased. Simply left-click the icon to purchase the ability. Right-click if you want to remove the ability. If we had unlocked Forward Intelligence in the Doctrine unlocks, the ability would also show here. On the right side of the Advantages tab are your support points and training points. Training points are used to purchase your noob advantages, and the support points are to purchase the use of your doctrine unlocks. Once you have purchased your noob advantages and any additional unlocks, you are ready to launch into battle. Click the Ready to Launch button. The black launch button in the bottom right corner will turn red when all of the players have clicked Ready to Launch. When you click the launch button, the launcher will close and your Company of Heroes game will start. Now we will go back to the launcher and learn how to set up your own game in the launcher. In the Battle tab, select Create Battle. You can create the size of battle you want here. EiRR is a multiplayer game only. You cannot set up a game against the AI or computer. 1v1 battles are not recommended unless you have Ventrilo and an experienced player teaching you. 1v1 battles are very buggy and often crash if not handled by experienced EiRR players. After setting your game size, you can select the type of battle you prefer. Engagement means that all the players start at the same time. Reinforcements means that one player from each side starts every 3 minutes. The first two start at 0 seconds, the next two at 3 minutes, and so on. Axis attacks means that the allied players have 3 minutes to set up defenses before the Axis players can come on the field. Allied attack means the Axis players have 3 minutes to set up defenses before the Allied players can come on the field. We will select engagement. Now we wait for other players to join. When the game is full, follow the same instructions as described earlier in this video. Good luck and have fun.